How to remove the background from your image using Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here from Essetino and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Okay, so really straightforward. If you have Canva Pro, there's a very easy way to remove the background from your photo, and if you have Canva free, then there's still a couple of different options for you to remove the background from your images. So Canva Pro, you just click on the image right here. At the top, you see background remover, and just like that, not even 2 seconds, your image is completely without a background. It does a pretty good job. You can see that nothing's really been missed. We'll go back just so you can see. And that is the Canva Pro way of doing it. Now, if you wanted to do this using the free version, you would have to go down to the left here where it says apps. You type in the word background, which I already have here. And these three options here are free: background eraser, clear background, and background remove it. I'll show you all three just so you can see the difference between them. But background eraser, you can't just edit the image that you have here. You have to upload it separately in the background eraser. So we'll choose the file. We'll pick this one here, same one, and we remove background. So right off the bat, you can see that this is taking a little bit longer than the Canva Pro version. There we go. So as you can see, it's not as good as Canva Pro. Now keep in mind, I've picked a bit more of a detailed, difficult photo to crop the background from. If you had something a lot more simple that was just like an image with a very clear, dark background, it would probably look a lot better. But you can see here that there's some spots missing. So that is with the background eraser. Now we'll go back up to apps so we can see what it looks like with the other option here. Now we'll go clear background. Let's delete this from here. Choose file. And again, this one's taking a couple of extra seconds. Also a bit wonky, but in a different way. You can see that there's some limbs missing here. But otherwise, good job. Again, if you had a bit of a simpler image, it would do a lot better of a job. And now we'll try the last one here, which is background remove it, which happens to be my favorite if you have Canva free, and you'll see why in a second. Again, all these things taking a little bit longer if you don't have Canva Pro. And you can see here that you can actually toggle this back and forth to see the difference between the background and no background. So again, this is similar to the last one where it's missing a few parts here, but all in all, it does a decent job. There are 3 different ways for you to remove the background using Canva free, and one pretty foolproof way using Canva Pro. I hope this helps. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, then let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.